Are you alive? No, I'm a virtual assistant created by a computer program.
So you are the CEO of ChatGPT.
You may have heard of ChatGPT.
It is so sensational to come on BBC, then what is OpenAI? What if artificial intelligence take a job in a future? Actually, what does OpenAI do? How it even works? ChatGPT gave a tough competition to master of browsing application called Google. Instead of thinking so far about your future, build your future with the same OpenAI called ChatGPT. In today's video, come on, let's figure it out. How does ChatGPT actually work and what does it actually mean for? With some actual real life examples depending upon different age categories. Then let's not waste the time. Let us get into the video as soon as possible. I'm Nikita Vinay, a tech tutor for information technology from past 2.5 years. So come on, let's get into the video. I recently came to know about this OpenAI or ChatGPT is when I was actually failed to get appropriate answer for my particular question regarding BBMS subject. Yes, if we search anything on Google, Google gives answer to some extent that may or may not be relevant to our searches itself. Sometimes we even get into the zones like what did I search for? Or we will end up with compromising our searches with answers available on browsers like Google's. And this is because Google works on some limitations and the data stored or available on Google is limited. But this is not going to happen with any language-based models like ChatGPT because they are response-based service provider chatbots and which actually interacts with humans in natural languages and also with appropriate methods, giving 100% result for any searches. But yes, they can't be given result based upon emotions, biased, contextual understandings since they are robots. Now, it's time to experience ChatGPT. For this, you need to verify and log into the browser. Come, I'll show you how you can log into the browser. For this, you can take a help of any browsers where I'm using Google and search for OpenAI ChatGPT. I use the very first option introducing of ChatGPT and this takes me to this interface. Go down and click Try ChatGPT. Now comes the verification part where you need to check box and proceed to login. And you need to continue with Google. Now as usual, select Google account and tada! This is ChatGPT interface. The below box is message box for chat where you need to type your questions. For example, I typed hi. See the response I got from bot. I randomly posted questions I had in my mind as please explain me what is operating system. The AI responded me by replying sure I can help with that and gave me a brief note on operating system. My next question was list some of the topmost software development companies in world. So remember, an active internet connection is compulsory to interact with ChatGPT bot. You can also regenerate the questions or a chat with a marked button. And this was the response for my question saying Microsoft Corporation, IBM Corporation, Oracle Corporation, SAP, Infosys Limited, Accenture, Tata Consultancy Services and many other companies that are considered to be topmost software development companies in the world. Now you may ask me that this information can be even fetched by browsers. What's the difference between browsers and bots? Let me clarify you that. I entered the same question even in browsers and ChatGPT. The result was so convincing. I asked to suggest birthday party ideas for 10-year-old child of India, but the browser displayed numerous websites and non-accurate ideas for Indian child. But instead, I got American child birthday party relevant ideas with hundreds of irritating advertisements over the page. But the bot gave me minimal information which is 100% suitable for Indian culture. This way, there are many advantages of ChatGPT in many ways which we will be discussing in this video in detail. Number 1 for YouTubers. Yes, If you are a YouTuber and struggling to get contents, drop a question on a chat box including your niche. For example, I type some of the passive income sources to list and fetch the content from a bot in a point wise, saying affiliate marketing, digital product selling, online courses, etc. in detail, and asked for same content description in a next question and also a keyword tags for the same content. If not satisfied with a minimal answer, you can ask for more results. Point number 2. Life related queries. I asked how to be successful in life and the bot gave me these tips to follow. Setting clear goals, developing positive mindset, working hard, learning new things, etc. which you can also follow. And point number 3 is for students. It will also help students. Suppose if students want to know about Pythagoras theorem or anything, ChatGPT got answer for that also. Advantage number 4 for businessmen. In a starting stage, if anyone stuck up from where and which point to start a business, you can also get answer for that. You can also stop the answer generating at any point with the below button and start regenerating it but from the beginning. Changing dark or light mode is so easy over here. AI also help you with the personal suggestions like how to be a good husband or wife in a life. And the funniest part is, bot also know that being a good husband is continuous effort. Haha. Or bot can also write a letter for girlfriend for anniversary. Here in given space, fill your name and present her. The job done. It can also generate resume for job interviews in a few seconds. And the advantage number 6 is for developers. It can also generate code for web development with some limitations for different languages. Later, I changed C++ to HTML code. Tada! Here we go. The code is ready, which I will be copying and pasting on Notepad available in desktop and save it as website.html. Now run the code on any browsers. This can create a basic website which we used to have on our keypad set with internet connection in our 2000 to 2010 year. And finally, I asked what is OpenAI or ChatGPT. This was the answer I got from bot about bot itself. Finally, I thanked it for its help and rated it since I was so happy working on it. Now, this ChatGPT is also available on premium membership. Who knows, in future free access may or may not be available. Finally, I'm logging out. If you felt this video was informative, then
now verify that you are a human by liking this video and subscribing at Nika Skill Tech YouTube channel.